This is question 23 on the November 2013 higher calculator paper. Okay, on question 23, let's just read the question first. It says the table shows information about 1,065 students. Elena takes a stratified sample of 120 students by year group and by gender. Work out the number of Year 8 female students in her sample. Actually, this question is pretty straightforward. It's worth 2 marks, right? And it should be pretty easy to arrive at the answer. Whenever I'm doing stratified sampling, and that's the key word in this question, once you've seen stratified sampling, you should know exactly what to do. I want to actually work out the size of the sample of Year 8 female students that I need to take. And if I look at the table, Year 8 female students, I'm going to be using that number. And I know that there are 1,065 students altogether in the whole population. And the size of the stratified sample is 120, and there I've got my 3 elements to actually calculate my answer. With my class, we've come up with an easy way of actually remembering what you need to do. You need your new over your old times what you want. Okay, so the new sample size is 120. The old is the whole population, which is 1,065, times that by what you want, and what you want is Year 8 females, which is 134. Okay, and that's it. What I'm going to do now is use my calculator to work out what that value is, and I've got 120 divided by 1,065 equals, and I'll times that by 134, and that gives me 15.098. 15.098. Now, up to this question is worth 2 marks. If I wrote that as my answer, or I did nothing more, I'd only be getting 1 mark. One of the things to realize with questions on stratified sampling is that you're always dealing with whole numbers, and so the answer, work out the number of Year 8 female students in her sample, she'll need 15 Year 8 female students. She can't have 0.098 of a student. It'll be whole numbers, and in this case we'll round it to 15. And there's your result. Make sure you understand this. These are easy marks to get, especially for this stage of the paper. Make sure you're okay with this.